Do you ever get that sinking feeling at the grocery checkout, buying the same items as last month but paying noticeably more? That's inflation at work. It quietly erodes your income. Today, we're not just talking about the problem. I'm giving you a 5-point strategic plan to uncover potential savings in the big three: food, energy, and transportation. If you're ready to build a financial plan that can adapt to any economy, show your commitment by subscribing and turning on notifications. Strategy number 1, the grocery hack: master unit pricing. The first battleground is the grocery store. The average U.S. household now spends about $900 per month on groceries. Food at home prices have risen by about 3.2% year over year, meaning the same basket costs more than it did in 2024. The rookie mistake is relying only on coupons. The professional hack is mastering unit pricing. The hack: ignore the big orange sale tag. Look for the tiny print on the shelf label called the unit price. This tells you the cost per ounce, per pound, or per 100 count. This is the only way to compare two items. A 12-ounce sale bottle of brand name ketchup might be $3.99. The unit price is 33.3 cents per ounce. A 32-ounce store brand bottle right next to it might be $5.99. This seems more expensive, but the unit price is 18.7 cents per ounce. The store brand is nearly half the price for the same product, but it's hidden behind a bigger-looking price tag. Your action plan: on your next trip, compare unit prices on everything from cereal to toilet paper. Many households can cut grocery bills by 15 to 20% this way. On a $1,000 per month budget, that could mean up to $200 in potential monthly savings. Strategy number 2, the utility hack: the time of use arbitrage. The second battleground is your utility bill. U.S. households typically spend $424 to $590 per month on utilities. Electricity prices are up about 5.1%, and natural gas has climbed 11.7% compared to last year. You can't stop using energy, but you can change when you use it. The hack: ask your provider if they offer a time of use plan. These plans charge more during peak hours, like 4 to 9 p.m., and less during off-peak times. Peak price: electricity from 4 to 9 p.m. might cost 30 cents per kilowatt hour. Off-peak price: electricity from 9 to 4 p.m. might cost 12 cents per kilowatt hour. Your action plan: run your dishwasher, laundry, and EV charging after 9 p.m. or on weekends. You're using the same energy, but at less than half the price. Strategy number 3, the transportation hack: the trip stacking system. The third battleground is your car. Gas prices in 2025 average $3.12 per gallon. Households spend $2,200 to $2,400 annually on gasoline. The hack: think in cost per mile, not cost per gallon. The IRS reimbursement rate for 2025 is 70 cents per mile, which reflects fuel, insurance, maintenance, and depreciation. Your action plan: implement trip stacking. Instead of making 5 separate trips during the week, one for the post office, one for groceries, one for the pharmacy, one for takeout, you designate 1 or 2 errand days. You use a Maps app to plan the most efficient route to hit all those stops in a single loop. If this saves you just 30 miles a week, that's a saving of over $20. That's $80 a month. That could add up to around $1,000 a year in potential savings, depending on your driving habits and location. We're 3 hacks in, and we've already uncovered potential savings of over $300 per month in the big 3. If you find this practical, no-fluff approach valuable, support the channel by liking this video. It's a zero-cost way to help me bring you more deep dives like this. Strategy number 4, the anti-inflation audit: stopping the leaks. When inflation squeezes your budget, fixed costs hurt the most. Subscriptions don't rise with inflation, but they feel heavier when your income buys less. The hack is perform a one-screen subscription audit. This is not just about Netflix. This is about everything that auto-renews. Use a budgeting app or just your bank statement to list every single recurring monthly or annual charge. Software, $9.99 per month. Music streaming, $10.99 per month. News sites, $8 a month. App subscriptions, $4.99 per month. $1.99 per month. Gyms, $45 per month. Insurance policies, car, renters. Your action plan? List every recurring charge, streaming, apps, gyms, insurance, and perform a one-screen subscription audit. Then ask, if I didn't already have this, would I buy it today at this price? A 2024 J.D. Power study found that drivers who shop around for car insurance can save $100 or more per month by switching providers. This audit isn't about deprivation, it's about intentionality. It's about ensuring your 2025 spending aligns with your 2025 values, not your 2022 habits. Strategy number 5, the income hedge, repricing your value. You can only cut so much. The ultimate way to beat inflation is to increase your income faster than prices rise. The hack? Adjust your rates. If you're a freelancer, tutor, or consultant and haven't raised rates in 12 months, inflation has effectively cut your pay. Your action plan. Calculate your new rate. If you charge $50 an hour, a simple 4% cost of living adjustment brings you to $52 an hour. Contact your clients. Send a professional email. To continue providing the same level of service in light of rising costs, my rate will adjust from $50 an hour to $52 an hour as of date. I appreciate your business and look forward to our continued work. This isn't greed, it's standard practice. Adjusting your income helps you keep pace with rising costs. Fighting inflation isn't about one magic bullet. It's about combining smart defensive strategies with an offensive income plan. Defend with unit pricing at the grocery store, defend with time-of-use utility plans, defend with trip stacking your transportation, defend with subscription audits, attack by repricing your value. This is how you take back control from an economy you can't manage and build a financial system you can. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of the big three, food, utilities, or transportation, is causing you the most financial stress right now? What is one inflation hack you use that I didn't mention? Drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.